Tesla has been surprised by the demand for the Model Y in right-hand drive markets. Despite recent price increases in Tesla Inc., vehicle demand seems to be growing more quickly. Before we dive in, do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos just like this one, and hit the bell icon to get notified. With that, let's see what Elon has in mind to tackle the shortage. The world has never seen a new method of vehicle manufacturing like what Tesla currently does. Tesla prints the Model Y chassis on a single piece, in contrast to all other automakers that utilize robots to weld together their automobiles. After only a few years on the market, the Model Y has already surpassed all other EVs in popularity. It normally takes Tesla a few years to launch its new vehicles with a right-hand drive option, and the Model Y was no exception, despite being on the market for a number of years. Days after orders opened, the 2023 Tesla Model Y was sold out until early to mid next year. Nevertheless, CEO Elon Musk claims assistance is on the way for both current and future customers. Elon Musk recently discussed Tesla's challenges in altering pricing for cars that will be delivered in 6 to 12 months, particularly with escalating material costs. In its Q4 results, Tesla stated that it would prioritize significantly raising production in 2022 to deal with the backlog of orders. The electric vehicle manufacturer now intends to deal with the rise in orders by expanding output to the utmost at its current manufacturing facilities in California and Shanghai, and by also bringing online completely new factories in Austin, Texas, and the most recent one in Berlin. Musk recently expressed his worries about the potential risks to the company's strategy to ramp up the manufacturing of electric vehicles over the coming years, posed by issues with battery production in 2023. According to him, the primary issues throughout the time period would be the amount of battery generated in gigawatt hours, the resilience of the supply chain, and the rate at which battery materials are being mined and refined. Musk says making the batteries at scale will be very difficult, but they are critical to his goal of building less expensive, longer-range vehicles that will keep Tesla ahead of a growing pack of competitors. Tesla's recently opened Giga Shanghai project is anticipated to increase production, sell an estimated 1.5 million vehicles this year, and support the company's efforts to fortify its position in Europe. The fact that demand for Tesla electric vehicles is surpassing its manufacturing rate is another issue that Musk spoke up about, and one that many manufacturers like solving. Tesla is now considering suspending the acceptance of orders for several models. Elon made this statement in an interview at the FT Future of Cars conference. Demand is now exceeding production to a ridiculous degree. We are actually probably going to limit or just stop taking orders for anything beyond a certain period of time, because some of the timing for delivery of new orders is more than a year away. The comment comes as Tesla updated many delivery timelines for some of its most popular vehicles in the US. By constructing the front and rear chassis as a single unit for the Model Y, Tesla has resolved this problem. And now Musk claims that toys gave him the idea to construct the Model Y's front and back as separate components. By asking how they can make toys so cheap, Musk came up with a significant invention that will save Tesla hundreds of millions of dollars. Another example of Musk's first principles mentality that gives Tesla its competitive edge and why no one will overtake the electric vehicle manufacturer anytime soon. Of course, Musk's method isn't as straightforward as he claims. Tesla had to develop a new aluminum alloy before using the massive gigacasting machine that its supplier IDRA constructed. The new aluminum alloy from Tesla has a special quality that allows it to hold its shape despite substantial temperature changes. Tesla, though, was just getting started even after figuring out how to cast aluminum at this size. This concept was used by the EV manufacturer to produce a structural battery pack. Tesla's vehicle's range is increased by 54% using the newest 4680 cells in combination with a structural battery pack. The crowning difficulty for Tesla is that they are planning a new manufacturing process called dry electrode, a technology they obtained via a 2019 acquisition of California startup Maxwell Technologies. Dry electrode manufacturing skips a traditional complicated step of battery manufacturing that involves chemical slurry. If it works, it will be cheaper and more efficient, but Musk freely admits it will be a challenge. Even so, his timeline is seen as optimistic. It took more than a decade for battery makers to optimize the conventional manufacturing process for lithium-ion batteries. The entry-level Model Y will probably be the first to go if Tesla decides to stop accepting orders for certain trims of its vehicles. What are the benefits of not accepting new orders, you might be asking? Don't you simply want the largest backlog possible? People are increasingly purchasing vehicles that will be undoubtedly changed by the time they receive them, since delivery times are taking so long. Tesla updates its cars frequently, so if you receive yours a year after placing your order, it probably has a number of new features. With that, our video has come to an end here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos just like this one. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.